Hey, welcome back to Saber Outdoors. My name, of course, is Mark Alexander, and I have a guest. I have Pakistani Outdoorsman with me. His channel will be down in the description below, and he and me are going to be doing the swim bait only challenge. Now, we went to the store. If you are a longtime member of the channel, you've seen us at the store before, but we have a bunch of these little swim baits in this box that are different colors, and we're gonna see if we can catch something on these. I've got some really weird, wild, out there colors. I've got some pretty natural looking colors, and we're just gonna see what we can do with this today. And he's got his own exactly like this, so he's gonna pick one, and I'm gonna pick the opposite of what he picks, because if we do that, say they are on light colors and not dark, if I'm on light colors and he is also on light colors, great. But if they're on light colors and both of us are on dark colors, then we never find the fish and we end up getting bored and leaving. So I'm gonna let him pick first, whatever color he decides to use, and then I'm gonna pick the opposite. So if he picks a light color, I'm gonna go with a dark color. If he picks a dark color, I'm gonna go with a light color. But whatever we pick, we'll bring you along. We'll see you here at the pond in a moment. All right, we are at our pond. We are rigged up. Sarosh has decided he is going to use this bottom one, which is dark. So I am going to use a light colored one. And we're gonna go give him a shot. Neither of us has put these in the water. Have you thrown it at all?
Just a couple of times.
Okay, so Roche has put it in the water. I have not put this in the water at all. And all I have with me is pliers and this box. So hopefully they're biting a moving bait today. But let's give her just a real quick little throw. Ooh, that looks dangerously good. Just one good hard pump and it looks so good in the water. It sinks, of course, but it looks really good. That should get demolished. I don't know if they'll like light colors or dark colors, but we're gonna find out before very long. Hey, Sarosh! Pakistani Outdoors is on the board! Guys, we can't hear him that well, but he is going nuts over there. Okay, guys, we're gonna get kind of where we can see. So that's one for dark colors. If he catches another one, I'm gonna have to go to dark colors as well. Oh, there's a little fisher trying to get some ground. I bet he's having a great day with this water being so low. All right, Sarosh is getting one for the gram. The gram or the Facebook. I don't know which one he's putting it on. Did he swallow it down pretty bad?
No, he didn't even eat it. He attacked it, so the front treble hook was hooked in his head, and then the back one was in his spine.
Oh, hold him up for the camera. Nice, dude. All right. So I don't know if you heard Sarosh say, but he didn't actually even eat the bait. He swiped at it and got the hooks both in his head and in his back. But hey, we're still gonna count it because it made it to shore. And Sarosh, you did it, my guy. Pakistani Outdoors, getting her done. All right, guys. So I've been throwing the plain white for a good long while, but I haven't gotten any looks. I've seen a few bass cruising, and they don't really seem interested. So Sarosh has already caught one on dark colors, so I'm gonna go dark as well. See if maybe we can connect with one, and if I do, you'll be there with me. All right, guys. I'm gonna use this color. And I'm already noticing one problem, and it's a problem a lot of this size swim bait has. The hook goes over the tail, and a hook like that is less effective than if it were, well, not doing that. So That's just a problem with this style of bait overall. It's not this particular one. Maybe it's a stop and go then. Just real slow, like dragging along. God bless you, come got it right at the edge. All right, guys. That's too long for you to escape. But you're flopping. All right, guys. So that's number 2 on dark. Dark's the color. And there he is. He's little, but he's all mine, and I'm happy to see him. So that's 1 up. Let's see if we can catch some more. See you, my guy. I thought maybe like burn, pause was the thing, but it seems like just a slow, easy reel is what they want today. I saw him come up for it. I was like, yeah. That braid has been your friend all day, hadn't it? You lost that lure at least half a dozen times now. I like to lost mine just now. Ooh, one came up and tried for it. I pulled it away from him though. Oh no, he probably won't come back for it either. Oh, that's a heartbreaker. I hate whenever they do that, but I can't just let my lure just be clogged in this snotty mess that's right next to shore. Sarosh, you wanna go try over at the water park? Yeah. Cool. All right, guys, spot 2. We had some followers at the other place, but they eventually just turned off. I'm still on this color right here. See that back hook, like I told you earlier, it keeps hooking around the other side. Sarosh is also going to keep up the challenge, and we're gonna film until we either catch a few more fish or until my battery goes dead. So hopefully we can catch something, and if we do, you will be there with us. Oh, I just hooked the log. That's probably a lost lure, and it's a lost lure. Well, good news is, back comes a 5. We'll go with this, and it looks pretty natural. We'll see if we can do any good on it. Hey, Sarosh has got him another one. All right, guys, let's get over here and see it. My guy, I think we picked a good thing to be doing today. All right, so this is Sarosh's second bass of the day. Number two. Do you need? I was about to ask if you need it, but the hooks just fall out, don't they? Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Looks good. Kiss him goodbye.
I'll tell you goodbye.
Sarosh doesn't want to kiss the fish goodbye. I'll send one. Attaboy. Yeah!
Picked it up right at the edge too.
That's what they seem to be doing. They seem to be running it right against the bank.
Yeah.
which is great fun when they do that. I knew they'd be in this corner though.
Yeah, I mean, this is the only place in the entire pond that has shade. So.
Yeah, any real amount of shade. All right, guys, so we're finished with this challenge. Now, the baits, they work. They work. Like, what do you think of them?
Definitely, especially the more natural looking colors would work really well. If they can work in this time of the year, it's been almost 100 degrees for the last 5 days.
5 years.
5 days, yeah.
Yeah, it's been cooking hot. There's a reason we got these Ear Saver 3000s. I don't want somebody when I'm older say, you got skin cancer on top of your ears, let me just shave a little bit off of it, because inevitably they don't shave enough and they have to go back and shave more. I know a couple people that's just down to like practically a hole on the side of their head. Not a good day. We look like old people. I'd rather look like old people and keep my ears. But I thought dark was definitely the color pattern, because we caught all our fish on dark colored swim baits today from the kit.
Yeah.
What do you think of the hooks?
The hooks were great. I mean, both of the fish, they were just swiping at it.
I think they were. I don't think they were great, because as soon as I got my fish up, the hook fell out, and I was like, "Come on, guy, you have one job. One job is just to hold fish, and you failed at it." But you know, that's the thing about fishermen. You know, differing opinions, but you know, we don't hate each other. It's okay. But definitely they seem to be chasing up, and they'd hit right at the shore, because that's how mine hits. Yours did the same?
Oh yeah, both of them.
Yeah, I got a good look at the second one, but I didn't see the first one. I hope the camera caught it, but definitely was an interesting time. It's the first time I've ever limited myself on camera, that is, to one specific bait. Have you ever done that to yourself on camera yet?
No.
Oh, sometime you need to. Sometime you should have me on your channel.
Oh, definitely.
I can't speak Urdu, but you know, I'll come on your channel, and I will make noises that sound like English.
Okay.
But guys, we're finished with this, and as for me, if you want to own the swim baits that I used today, what I have left of them, I actually lost one on like the first cast here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I set it directly into that log. I hate doing that.
Sad day.
Yeah, it was a sad day. But if you want the rest of the swim baits that I still do have, put down in the comments that you want them, and I'll see if I can get them to you. And with that said, I'm just gonna say, do all the usual YouTube things like share, subscribe, comment, ring that bell notification, because it doesn't cost you anything and it helps me so much. And go over to my friend's channel too, Pakistani Outdoorsman. I always forget that, but go over to his channel. I will link it down below. Give him the same treatment as you would me. And with all that said, we'll see you somewhere in the woods or on the water.
See you next time.